PandoWallet 2.0 is currently out, and what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you a step-by-step video tutorial on how to get that set up. So one of the first things that we're going to do is we're going to go to wallet.pandoproject.org, which is where you can actually download it and we can get it set up. And once you're there, you're going to click right down below where it says create wallet, and that's going to prompt you in creating your key store. And so what you're going to do is you're going to simply punch in a password that you can remember. And once you enter it once, you will repeat that again on the box down below. We'll go ahead and right below that, you're going to read the terms and agreement. And once you understand and you agree, you're going to go ahead and check the box and click download key store. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and save this in a file where you can actually access it. And this is what I personally use when I log in. I just revert to my key store and then I punch in my password. But there's many different ways in how you can do that, and this is one of the options. So whatever you're comfortable with doing, that's the one of the four options. All right, so once you're done with that, what it's going to do, it's going to prompt you in creating or viewing your mnemonic phrase. And basically what this is this is also known as your seed phrase. You know, it's a 12-word phrase that you would use in setting up most wallets, like a Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and it's no different than this. And so what you're going to do is, what I would suggest is once you view it, I would go ahead and do a screenshot, or I would just write that down in a piece of paper and store that somewhere safe and secure, a place where you can easily access it in case of an emergency where you had maybe gotten a brand new computer or whatnot, or for whatever reason. I wouldn't leave it stored in your file or a cloud drive or whatnot. I would just do that, keep it in the physical location. And so you would go ahead and copy that or screenshot and then print. And right after that, down below, you're going to see where it says view my private key. You're going to go ahead and click that too. All right. And so that private key, it'll give you a bunch of numbers, and you're going to go ahead and do the same thing. You can actually keep inside your computer. You can put it in a folder. And so that would just be one of the other options as well. All right. And so once you're done viewing that, and once you have it copied and pasted into a file, go ahead and click close and then continue. And you're right there. And then what you can do now is you can unlock your wallet, and that will get you to where you can actually log in. Now, when you log in, like I said, this is the method that I use, and whatever you're comfortable with, whatever works for you is what it's going to work for you. So you would just go ahead. For me, this is what I do. So I would just click on choose your key store, and then you would go to the place where you had that storage, and then I would just click that twice. And then what you're going to do is you're going to punch in your password. And you're all set. And so it's as simple as that. And so there's so many things that you're going to have to do as we go through this migration. And so we try to keep it as simple as possible. So we're going to take it on a step-by-step basis. And so this is basically step one. And then next will be migrating over your tokens into the new wallet, which we'll put that on a different video. And so if you find this video valuable and you picked up a thing or two, and you find it very helpful, on the way out, please go ahead and click like and subscribe into the video, and that will give you more updates on the videos that we produce as far as some of the latest developments and the latest news within Pando Project world. All right. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.